Valentine's is coming and not everybody wants red nails. Thank God. A lovely blue Russian almond set for you. Now I know I've been gone for a while. I am sorry, I've been a bit poorly. I was in hospital over New Year, well, just before New Year. Came out of hospital on New Year's Eve, and I've just been a bit poop, really. But I'm getting there, I'm getting there. So, I did a bit of practicing, trying to get back into things, and well, this is what we came up with. So, I've gone straight in with a brand new set. I've used Electra on the thumb, full base, with a splodge of Eve on top. I'm doing a Russian almond style set, not style, shape, sorry. Using Chase Me Charlie on the pointer just now. I've already done all of my prep work, obviously. I've put on my clear base, and all I did was just give it a rough file for the shape underneath. There's no point doing all of the perfection bits until the end, really. Adding in 2 little trails of Eve across the pointer Chase Me Charlie. And then I'm going to do like an ombre, glitter ombre, really, or glitter fade. Same thing, I guess. I'm using Electra on the free edge, and then I'm doing like a really simple, easy blend with Chase Me Charlie, because I'm not bothered about the actual blending part, the blend between it, should I say, because I'm going to cover it with glitter anyway, with Eve. So I'm not really fussed of how like perfect it looks, because Eve it'll hide it. And then onto the ring finger, and I'm just doing marble. I'm using, oh, that's Blue Mist I just went in with, and Electra, and Chase Me Charlie, and yeah, I'm just marbling together until I'm happy with the whole nail. Now this was my mum's version of a Valentine's set. She wanted blue for Valentine's, yeah, blue. So I was like, what Valentine's stuff can I put in there? And it ended up being just a heart with Sharpie. I'm doing that on top of the pointer finger that I used Chase Me Charlie on. So you will see that shortly. Finishing off the pinky with just plain Electra. Now I'm just showing you my filing routine for Russian almonds. So first down the side walls first. First down the side walls first. Really? Side walls first, and then when you're doing the end here, this edge shape, keep your file flat across them both, steadily side to side, so you can file equally. Have a good look down the barrel of the nail to make sure that you have got it equal on both sides, that it's symmetrical from left side to right side. They go down the same distance on either side. Do all the body of the nail. I'm using a 100. I'm using Glitterama's files. Turn it over the hand and you can see exactly how much more you can file to get it as slim as you possibly can. And then when you're at the cuticle, switch over to a 180 so you're not going to nick and catch the skin, because you don't want to cause any tears and you don't want to make your client bleed. And we're going to repeat this process on all 10 nails. See that shape there? Perfect. That's what you want to achieve. Oh, I do love the Russian almond shape. Just look at them sexy edges. And I love it. I'm proper obsessed with it. I don't know why. So we're going to grab the Glitterama buffer and give them all a good buff over. Take out all them like rough indentations from using the 100 grit. Give them a good brush off, and then in with our prep solution, Glitterama, to cleanse away all that dust and yuckiness, and they're nice and clean. So for the last part of the design, I'm going to be using a good old Sharpie in dark blue and some isopropyl alcohol, clear isopropyl alcohol, in a little dish. And I'm also going to be using a little brush. But first up, I need to apply a layer of top coat because I need a nice smooth shiny surface to work on for this effect. So pop that on. And then we're just going to draw a rough heart shape with the Sharpie. And I'm just doing like two little floaty lines. So it'd be like a heart, but with like a smoke effect. That's what we're going for. But with Sharpies instead of using white gel polish and pigments. And then in the little brush, and we're just tapping away, cleaning it off, getting rid of the excess, tapping away until it starts to disperse. And you just keep going until you get the effect that you want, until you're happy. Then we're going to leave that to dry just while we get on with doing the crystals. I'm just putting a really small corner cluster on the ring finger, and that's it. And there you have the finished set. I really did love making these. Feels good to be back doing nails. So as always, thank you for joining me. Remember to stay slaying, and I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, here's a couple others for you to have a gander at. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And click the bell so you get a notification for every time I drop something new. I'll see you soon. Mwah!